let us assume now we are going to take some training from the some XYZ institute. The institute people, they have okay, they are ready to train to our employees. Okay, at this point of time they requested at least 10% advance amount from the total, okay, charges. Okay, so at this point of time what we can call it as a, for those kind of information, okay, then that is the expense. I mean, that is the, it's not the expenses, it is a asset for us, means advance which we are going to issue. I mean, amount we are transferring some amount to the vendor, means that is a asset for our company. Okay, now in general scenario it's a advance, vendor advance we can call it as, but in as SAP terminology, remember the, in general we can call it as a, is a advances, vendor advance. But in SAP terminology, in SAP terminology, we can call it as a, we can call vendor advances as a, vendor advances as a special GL, special GL transactions, special GL transactions, when we are going to performing a, okay, vendor advance related postings in SAP, we can call them as a special GL transactions. Remember, special GL transactions we can call them in SAP. Okay, why special GL we are calling? Okay, what is the reason behind that? Okay, the SAP, okay, now let me explain you the scenario. Okay, now let's say for example, now we have the vendor master. Okay, vendor number, we have the vendor number, the 6 series number what we have created. Let us assume this is the number what we have created in our SAP system. Now as I have explained, okay, under this vendor master, under this vendor number, we have assigned the reconciliation GL account, reconciliation GL account for further reconciliation purpose. It's a 200, okay, 105 something we have created, we have assigned. Okay, if you want to, let us take the example. It's a liability for us. Okay, this is a 100 500. Okay, this is a 100 501 what we have created is the, okay, let me take, is a 100 501 is a liability account, it's a liability account. Okay, now the advances related, now what we need to do for vendor advances, for special GL transactions also we would require one more reconciliation account also. For vendor advance postings, we need one more reconciliation account for, but it is the one more reconciliation account, is under, it is under assets, means vendor advances, whatever advances we made to that particular vendor, that is the asset for us. Okay, so it's anyhow it's a asset, means the moment we have, it's a prepaid info, I mean we are going to making the, okay, in advance, that we can call it as a, okay, it's a asset for our company. Okay, now what happened, these two GL accounts anyhow I have already, okay, the GL accounts already, means this vendor master data and as well as the reconciliation account already in place. Now the GL account for which I am going to create for us for advance related postings, as I have explained, it is an asset. Okay, let me select that, maybe this GL account what I am going to create. Now what I will do, see, under this vendor master data, when the moment invoices are posting, it is going to hit to this GL account, so that I can reconcile between the vendor and as well as this GL balance. Then advances, okay, the moment advances which I am going to post, the system is going to hit to this GL account. Then this reconciliation account, what I am doing here is that the combination, the logic, how I am going to build, in SAP system. See, this is the, okay, I will explain here. Okay, now is the normal recon account, normal reconciliation account. What we have, 100,501. This is a normal recon account. Now is a special GL account. The special GL account, what I am having is a, this is the special GL account. What I am going to interlink, the moment for this reconciliation account, when I am using this reconciliation account, okay, please update the special GL, means vendor advance related transactions, by using this GL account. Okay, this GL account. Okay, now this GL account is assigned to the, okay, assigned to separate transaction code is there, where we are going to map this interrelationship. Okay, now how system is going to understand this GL account is relevant for particular, okay, special GL, means either it's advance, okay, whatever it may be, how system is going to understand. Okay, now we need to map this GL account, this combination with the combination of the, okay, special GL. Remember, special GL indicator. Okay, special GL indicator is there when we are posting the document, when we are entering the document. Let's say, for example, special GL indicator is a, okay, alphanumeric key, but single digit only. Either you can alpha, you can numeric, whichever you want, you can create it. But the special GL indicator, when we are posting a document, okay, at that point of time, we have to specify the, okay, special GL transaction, special GL indicator, so that system will, I will understand. Okay, now this is the transaction which we are going to post, okay, relevant for the advance related posting, and also it should hit to, the system should update the transaction into this GL account. Okay, this is the concept of, is the special GL transactions, how system is going to understand. Okay, now let us see. Now, okay, first initially what we will do, we will create the GL account. We will create the GL account, as I told you, it's a asset related for it's a asset, means it is the asset for us is a vendor advances. Now let me create this one, balance sheet account. It is a balance sheet account. Then current assets. Then I will create is a sundry creditors. Okay, I mean, if you want, okay, what we can do, we can change the, okay, advance to the vendor. Okay, we'll write it is the advance to vendors, advance to vendors. I'll write it this one. Then go to control data tab. Remember, this is also one of the reconciliation account, as I told you. Okay, now we must have to select the, okay, reconciliation account as a vendor account. Then open item management, it does not applicable for this one. Then line item display, then select this one, vendor account. Then go to the here. Then select the field status group G067. G067 is for the reconciliation account. Now save it. The GL account, what we have created. Okay, what we have created for vendor advance. Now go to transaction code. Okay, OBYR means, as I told you, the combination. This is the combination what we are going to maintain in the, okay, OBYR is the transaction code. Okay, then now you can see here, K is a stands for, as I have explained already, okay, is a vendor related posting. A is the special GL. Okay, down payment for the current asset. Down payment is also advance postings. Financial asset down payment request. Request means before posting the final, I mean, invoice document which is related to the advance, then we can create the request. On behalf of the request, we can do the payment. Okay, now stock down payment means down payment also, it's a advance special GL transactions only, advance related postings, so we can call it as a down payments. Okay, now let us see now special GL indicator. As I told you, the combination how we are going to maintain this is the normal reconciliation account, then this is a special GL reconciliation account. These two GL accounts which we are going to map with the combination of this special GL account. Now let us double click this one. The system will ask the chart of accounts, give the chart of accounts, the reconciliation account, maintain this is the reconciliation account here. Then again you can maintain the, okay, the special GL related reconciliation account. Now you can understand the combination here, under chart of accounts, vendor, then special GL. Okay, now this is the maintenance what we are doing, the configuration what we are performing. This is at chart of accounts level, means the combination what we are doing here, what we are mapping, this combination can be used for multiple company codes, remember. Okay, the moment when we are performing the configuration at chart of accounts level. Now go back. Okay, now what we have done, we have performed the, okay, we have done the configuration. Now how to post the advance related entries into the SAP system, how we can post the advance. Okay, now accounting end user area, then financial accounting, accounts payable, then documents, down payments, F dash 48 is the transaction code to post the, okay, advance postings. Now select this one. Now give the, I will give the date 10, I will give the yesterday's date. Okay, not a problem. Okay, account we have to specify, vendor account we must have to specify. Remember here, what I have explained here, how system is going to understand when we are passing entry into the system. Okay, we must have to specify the special GL indicator. Okay, the special GL indicator, it is going to play key role when we are posting a document, because under this special GL account only we have mapped these two GL accounts. Remember now. Okay, now the special GL account, you can choose the special GL account. Okay, based on okay, based on our requirement, which special GL account we want to choose. Okay, now the bank account means from which bank account we are making payment to the vendor. Okay, now let us choose the bank account number here. Okay, the GL account anyhow to we already know about that one. Okay, this is the bank account. Now how much amount which you want to make the payment, let us assume 10,000 rupees which I want to make advance amount. Okay, now text is a vendor advance. So not a reconciliation. Okay, did we do something? Okay, let me check here. Oh, sorry, we have mentioned is a wrong GL account. Okay, we have mapped is a wrong GL account here. That is the reason it's not the correct one. Okay, for advance related, it's an asset accounting only, but vendor advance, this is the account. This is the account we should supposed to map. Instead of that one, we have mapped, okay, wrong GL account. That is the reason system is throwing the error. Okay, now we got it. Okay, now fine. Okay, now let me save this one. Now the error, it will get over. Okay, now enter, will come from the beginning, because we need to, the moment when we are middle in the transaction, we must have to come from the beginning. The system will not accept. Okay, now this is the vendor master. Then I'll select here A, then the bank account, then amount 10,000 rupees. I'll give the text here. See, now system is accepted because we have maintained is the wrong GL account over there. Now, okay, fine. Okay, now amount which we want to mention is a 10,000 rupees. Just for your information, text, then document it and simulate it. See, now our bank account is crediting. Remember, the bank account is crediting 50. 50 is the credit, GL credit. Now the vendor is debiting here. Now you can see even indicators also for credit. The moment when we could see it's a minus, then is a debit is a there is no indicator, means plus indicator we cannot see. Now post this transaction. Post this document 150004. It has been posted under this company code. Now how to display the special GL transactions. Now the moment slash n FBL 1n only, the same what we have seen, but okay, I will show you before execution of this one. Now execute it straightforward. Now you can see only the two line items are there. Okay, why the advanced related okay entry we are unable to see here. Now just go back for advanced related postings. That is the reason, as I told you, we must have to select a special GL transaction option here. The okay, then execute it. Now you can see this 10,000 rupees which we can I mean we can able to see here. Now vendor advanced related postings, the for 10,000 rupees the system is displaying now. Okay, now what we have seen, okay, we have passed the advanced related. Okay, now what we will do, we'll post the one more invoice. Okay, we'll post the invoice into the system. Okay, on behalf of the 10,000 rupees. Okay, then what we'll do, we can pass the one invoice into the system by using the f-43 only. Okay, I will explain you the logic. Then choose the vendor. This is the vendor only. Now I will choose that the total is the, let's say for example 1 lakh rupees. From the 1 lakh rupees we have paid is a 10% advance. Let us assume now vendor payment 40, then enter, simulate it, then post it. Okay, now what we have done, okay, let us go back once again. Vendor in okay, display the line item, go to list and refresh it. Okay, now let us assume you just forgot about these two line items, means okay, now I will choose what we can choose 00. Okay, what I will do, I will choose, then I will explain you the scenario clearly. Now 16000002. Okay, okay, now what I want to do, this is the invoice, okay, which has been opened. Let us assume, okay, on behalf of this invoice, okay, before performing the invoice posting, I made a payment, advance payment to this vendor. Okay, now how system will know, okay, how system will know, how can I adjust this advance amount against this invoice? Okay, how system should I know, how system should know? Okay, because we have the multiple invoices. Okay, we I mean two invoices we have. Okay, we have hidden. Okay, let us assume what I will do, I will clear the, okay, I will clear the one. Okay, I will clear all the things. Then what system does, let us see. Now system is been displayed. Okay, this advance, okay, how can I okay clear, or how can I knock off with a particular invoice? Now you can see this is the A, means it's a special GL transaction. Okay, now to to know that one, I mean there is a one more transaction which we need to perform. The transaction code is a, okay, F-54 is the transaction code, means the special GL item which we are instructing to the system, please, okay, please, okay, offset this invoice this advance amount to that particular invoice, and also at the same time we are bringing the special GL line item into the I mean the normal item. Then let me go back, let me open the one more screen. F-54 is the transaction code. If you go by the path, definitely you can identify here. See, clear vendor down payment. Okay, here the same logic which is applicable for automatic payment program also. But when we will be there into automatic payment program, I will explain definitely over there. Okay. Now, see, now here you can see, please understand here. Now, this is the advance, okay, against which invoice we are adjusting the advance. Here we must have to specify the invoice number. Now let us say, let us assume, if you are not specifying, at least the system will ask, okay, system will ask, okay, which against which invoice, but we must have to specify the invoice number here. Then only system will understand this is the this advanced line item which we are going to offsetting with this invoice. Okay, SLGL. Okay, just for your information, now process the down payment. Now this is the amount what we want to transfer. Just double click it. Okay, now it has been selected completely. Now select document and simulate it. Means now you can see the same account is debiting, the same account is crediting. Meaning here is that the special GL amount what we have seen, that is bringing from special GL to normal item, special GL line item, special GL amount to, okay, normal item. Okay, then save it. Now document, it has been posted into the company code. Now go and display the line item. Now let us see, edit, sorry, refresh it. See, now now the 10,000 rupees what you could see here, this is a now open state. Still it is in a open state only. But the moment if you can go back, the moment if you select all the line items, okay, now you can see the special GL, it has been cleared. Now you can see the special GL, it has been cleared. Now you can see, means we brought the special GL line item, okay, from special GL to normal line item. Okay, now as soon as we perform this activity, okay, as soon as we perform the activity F-54, okay. Now if you want to clear the, if you want to clear the, okay, the line item, okay, then go to /n F-53 again clearing, okay, clear of, if you want to clear the normal item, either you can perform the, okay, f dash okay, cleared normal item. Let us okay, now go to F-53 and you can clear it. Okay, under payment, the amount, if you know the amount you can enter it, okay, otherwise you just forget it. Okay, how much you want to make the payment, it's a 90,000 rupees which you want to make the, because the total amount is a 1 lakh, we have already made the payment. Give the vendor. Now you can see here, see here which you want to adjust, now deselect this one. Now the system, now you can see these two line items are let it be open state only. Okay, now you can see here amount entered is a 90,000 rupees, total is assigned is a 10,000, 90,000 only, because the invoice amount which we had is a 1 lakh rupees, the advance which we made to the vendor then is a 10,000 rupees. 1 lakh minus 10,000, total is a 90,000 which we want to make payment to the vendor. Go to simulate it, then post. Means now you can see that our bank account is crediting, then the vendor account is debiting. Just post the entries into the system, go to the and display the vendor line item. /n FBL1N is the transaction code, then execute it, okay, along with the special GL, along with special GL. Now you can see the 1 lakh which we could not able to see that one. Now all the line items. See, now you can see here the 1 lakh what we have created, this one and this one. Okay, now we have cleared all the line item. This is what, okay, how we need to post the advanced related entries into the system. Then we can call it as special GL transactions or down payments. Okay, one moment.